Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hi guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, My Dear Forensic Lady, chapter 53. So here it is. Let's read the story. Let's go to the capital and be careful these days. Forget it, after all. I have so many enemies that wants to seek revenge on me. Otherwise, is this the old lady Brazilian jiu-jitsu practice in vain? Not to mention, whole country. Oh, right now, the two of them are getting sweet to each other. Will you die if he doesn't speak? Dr. Lin said to Song Yuhang, only dead people can speak. How come you are so big? No wonder you don't have friends and no partner. Dr. Lin said to Officer Song. Officer Song will get out on herself. But Dr. Lin said, I rely on whose silly person pierce my tires. Oh, right now, she become tough. Fears the Officer Song. Just the case doesn't it make people jealous when you drive such a good car? Well, definitely, has some money and she can buy a lot of cars if she have. This is my last car. Forget it. Hello towing company. Now, she's been calling the company, able to help her to fix her car. What? It will take 2 hours to come and you replace the tires without Mercedes-Benz. Now, Song Yuan was thinking. She was also spending money. Right now, this girl, of course, has been prioritized and she was asking for the company. And it was like a little unfair for them, for the ordinary people like her. Darlene said, it's over. It's early to say no. Oh, it seems that there's a person that's watching them. And that person goes away from them now. Who could it be? Who is the person that's following them? Well, it's getting late night. Two of them still on the road. After the mission, finally, Dr. Lin already falls asleep. Now, she really fell asleep. Officer Song was looking at her. She is really sleeping soundly. Well, looking at her, even though she was really tired today, she looks so pretty. She looks so well and behaved when she falls asleep. And right now, Officer Song, it seems that she was really happy seeing that she is really quiet. On the other hand, her phone is ringing. Shall we? Officer Song put the car on emergency parking. Now she's going to answer the phone. Hello? Yu Hang. Wei, this person is taking care of a child right now. It looked like it was emergency at this moment. Yang Sheng's daughter, Wu Wei, Ji Xingyun's and Song Yichen's daughter. She was 7 years old. Well, it's so late. Is this woman with Song Yuhang? Who's this girl right now? Well, let's see it then next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!